Hello there. In this video, we will be going over the steps required to use our SEO feature. The SEO feature allows you to add meta tags for 3 parts of your website: the home page, product pages, and category pages. It also allows you to connect to your Google Analytics account and add custom scripts to your site. In your reseller admin, your first step is to go to the marketing option in the menu. Then go down to SEO. Here, you will be presented with the option to add meta tags to your homepage. You have the option to add a title tag for your homepage. This content will appear on the search engine's results page on the browser's title bar. To do this, simply input your text into the box here. You can also add your own meta keywords into the box here. These keywords will be added to the page source code of your homepage and will only be visible by search browsers. In addition, you can input your own meta description into the box here. This description will be added to the homepage source code, and it will be displayed under the title of your website on the search engine results page. To connect your Google Analytics account to your website, you just need to input your account measurement ID here. Finally, you can add custom scripts to the header and body HTML of your web store, such as a chat functionality or Google Tag Manager, by inputting the code here. Once you have inputted all your details, ensure you click the Update button to save your changes. You also have the option to add meta keywords, title tags, and meta descriptions to all of the product pages in your web store. As there are so many different product pages in your catalog, we use placeholders to automatically take information from our database relevant to each individual product page and add it to each page's source code. The information added from the placeholders is specific for each individual product page. For example, if you went down to meta keywords, clicked the Add Short Description button and clicked Update, our system will dynamically take the product name from our database, specific to the product page being loaded at the time, then add it to the page source code. To add placeholders, simply click on the Placeholder button here. Then add a comma for the next placeholder. You can also combine your own content alongside your placeholders to make it more specific for search engines. For example, I could add my company location and combine it with the information that is pulled through from the placeholder, so the search engine can further understand my web store. Once you have added your desired placeholders, click the Update button and your placeholders will be added to your website, where they will automatically pull the relevant information for each product page from our database to the page source code. Finally, you also have the option to add meta keywords, meta descriptions, and title tags to be added to the category pages of your website. Using the same process as product pages. Once you have inputted all your content, click the Update button to complete. And that's it. You have now successfully used the SEO feature. Thank you for watching. For further information on how to use the SEO feature, check out our iManual or contact us using the details found under Support in your Reseller Admin portal.